miss you.
Ooh, what's this? Get him off the phone.
Ow. If I could fall into the sky. Whoa. Yo, where did you get that mug? Cause that is hard, bro. I got this, it was in a box. What package? Nike. Junior, what did I tell you about opening my packages without even letting me know, man? They're not for you, they are for me. I mean, it didn't say, your name was, well, I mean, technically your name was on it, but you got a cool unboxing. Number one, you're using my mug. Number two, you already opened my box, which you know I got to do a video for. Come on, man, don't do me like that. Bro, I do not know what to do with you. Why? Next time you open one of my packages, you are getting out of my house. You ain't gotta kick me out. Find somewhere else to live, brother. I promise, it won't happen again, punk. Ow, we want the phone. Get him off the phone. Ow. What's up, man? Sneak Geeks, what's good? Man, y'all ever just want to sing? Day one, you and I. Who knows that song? Bro, I don't know, man. It's always me. I just be singing. But anyway, as usual, hope you're feeling good. Hope you guys enjoyed this skit. As you can tell by the editing today, I'm just like all over the place. But I have a very fire package, my brother. Another fire, man. Bro, so many fire packages are coming in the mail. First and foremost, I just want to thank you guys for the support because none of this would even be possible if it wasn't for y'all. So boom, as you can see, huge shout out to Nike Sportswear, Footlocker, Homegirl Ash, appreciate you for sending this over. Now, I will do an overview as I'm speaking of kind of the unboxing and what was inside. Now, I only expected some shoes, but it did not stop there. But let's get into the shoes first. These are actually the Sunburst Air Max Plus. These will be releasing August 31st. So be on the lookout if you're feeling these. They included some pins, man. I ain't never had no Nike pins, bro. It's lit over here. Like, this is such a cool package. I can't even believe it. Anyway, this is a part of the Sunburst pack that Nike has dropping late August. So later this month, retail is gonna be $160 on the shoe, and dog, this is so fire. Now clearly I had to do my own research on this shoe. Originally, the Sunburst was created back in 1972. It's based around how Nike translated the symmetry of the Nike swoosh, you know, to their apparel. It's really like OG, as you can see with the file. That kind of makes sense with the entire box. Return to /DNA, Department of Nike Archives. Just the concept, guys. Is this not fire? Came with a few stickers. Picture of, you already know, the OG. Now, I don't want to butcher this story, but I recall Nike ran a contest to basically come up with their logo, and I think they only paid like $5 for it, bro. I'm not 100% sure. My facts might be busted, but first use June 18th, 1971, and commerce June 18th, 1971. This was their principal registered trademark, and it's crazy to think like how simple the Nike swoosh is and how iconic it has become. And it don't stop there, bro. I don't even be drinking coffee, but you know, we gonna be drinking water right out the mug. Like, this is pretty cool. Like, yeah. But there you guys have it, man. That is the unboxing. Let me know what you think. Are the Air Max Plus something that you want to pick up? What other sneaker in the collection would you be interested in? I did see some 97s that look super hard, and I really love 97s. Like, that is my go-to. Those are probably my daily go-to, but these are gonna be lifestyle. These will be straight to feet and definitely something that I probably will wear a lot. Again, like I said, huge thank you to Footlocker and Nike Sportswear. And Ashley, thank you so much. But this is your boy, Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.